Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately by gathering tools and marking the button orientation. Use a flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, small hammer, and a scrap cloth. Lay the jacket on a hard surface and slide the scrap cloth behind the button to protect the denim. Make a tiny pencil or chalk mark showing the button's top so you can reattach correctly. Once done, angle the screwdriver under the rim of the button cap and apply steady upward pressure while you stabilize the backing with pliers. Now focus on separating the cap from the backing. Wedge the screwdriver under the rim of the cap at a slight angle and pry gently. You're bending the metal slightly, not ripping fabric. Make short, controlled movements around the rim rather than one big twist. As you lift, use the pliers on the backing side to keep tension and stop the shank from spinning. If the cap resists, tap the screwdriver handle lightly with the hammer to nudge metal without sudden force. Finish by removing both cap and backing and laying the fabric flat. Smooth any folds so the hole won't catch later. If edges are sharp, file or cover them with tape before storing the pieces. Make sure to keep the button parts together and note which pocket or position they came from. If the fabric tore or stretched, reinforce with a small patch or a bar tack stitch before adding a new button. If the button won't budge, stop and pry more gradually to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.